Hello, everybody. This is the tutorial for Monday, March 8th for Period 3 Teaching as a Profession. Today, we looked at our weekly agenda. This week, we're going to finish up talking about cultural competence, and then we're going to get into how to write out activity and lesson plans. We do not have school on Friday. Today, specifically, we filled out our morning check-in, which is attached to this button, or you can pull it up on Google Classroom. I reminded everybody that our anti-bias curriculum assignment is due Wednesday, along with the cultural competence assignment we did in class today. We went over slides 31 and 32. We did not continue the documentary. We'll do that tomorrow in class. I was just having technical difficulties, to be honest with you. So, slides 31 and 32. We watched two different videos that explored how relationships and cultural competence can provide a solid foundation for success. So you'll want to watch the video on page or slide 31 and the video linked to slide 32. Then we looked at exactly what is cultural competence, how do we apply this to our curriculum in our relationships with students, and how do we teach about identity, racism, and fairness. So what you'll want to do is pull up the cultural, if I could speak, competence and silhouettes under Unit 2 on Google Classroom. The first part you're going to do in your supply bag, there is a little cardstock silhouette. I gave you a white, a black, and a brown silhouette. And if you want to write down 5 things on there that identify you as a person, you can. And then you could just copy and paste a picture on here. You could also just type 5 things like I did here. So the next thing that you want to remember is that self-portrait we're doing in class right now, where we're painting it or coloring it, that's an elementary level. Writing out attributes of yourself is more of a middle school or high school level. So we moved into a class discussion on the back of the sheet. We listed groups defined as the societal norm, groups that tend to be targets of institutional prejudice and discrimination, and then recipients of social advantages. Next, we talked about what the word omission means, how it relates to children's literature, and then tomorrow in class, we're going to work on the bookshelf portion of this assignment and turn it in. If you have any questions on anything covered today, please let me know. If not, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.